How you doing, folks? I'm Trina Sanders. You're tuned to the infamous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are working for us because we are doing right. Okay, so what to do if you're like broke? You don't have any money, no money in your bank account, not a dollar to your name. I'm gonna tell you exactly what to do because I've been there before. I've been broke, busted, and disgusted many different times before. You understand what I'm saying? But I'm not in that place anymore. I'm in a different place. Okay. Once upon a time, I used to be mad. I used to have a lot of anxiety. I used to lay down in bed all day. I used to never want to tell anybody that I needed help, all this and that. So I know how it feels. I know how frustrating it could be. But I'm going to tell you this. If I would have known what I know now, I would have never been frustrated. Because listen, when you frustrated, when you need money, folks, when you need money and you frustrated, it just only repels money farther away from you. Okay? Now, when you happy, even though you broke and you might need some money, it attracts money to you, even though you might not have it. It still put the law of attraction into motion to where the money can still be able to come to you if you was open to receive it. So you have to be receptive to receive money at all times. And being receptive is basically like being happy, being positive, being upbeat, being cheerful, being open. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, folks, if you could use more finances right now, just go ahead and confirm to the universe by pressing thumbs up right now that you could use some more financial juice right now. You want some money right now. Okay? Put your comment below. I want my money. Y'all know how we demand the universe. I want my money. I want my money. Comment that below, folks, and put it on out there so that you can continuously attract this money to you. See, the whole thing is, folks, the reason why you're probably in a situation where you probably don't have any money is because you got to get in the habit of speaking it. Speak to you need money. You got to have money. You're going to get money. You need this money now. That's first things first. That's first things first. You got to get in the habit of demanding the universe to actually send you the money that you need. Don't be afraid to talk to yourself when ain't nobody around and to tell the universe how much money you need, when you need the money by, what you're gonna do with the money. If you give me I'm gonna do this with it. Oh, I'm gonna do that with it. If you send me that money, I'm gonna do that first. Yeah, I'm gonna pay these bills first, and then I'm gonna pay myself first, and then I'm gonna pay these bills, and then that little bit that's left over, I might go out with that universe. What I'm saying? Don't be afraid to build a relationship with the universe. And tell what you want to do with the money once you receive it. Because I can guarantee you, folks, even though you're in a situation right now where your finances are not, in the right place, I can guarantee you this will come to pass, folks. Everything that I'm saying right now will come to pass. That's why you're watching this video, because it's right on time. If it's right on time, comment that below and say it's right on time. You know what I'm saying? So another thing that you got to keep in mind when you're like broke, busted, and disgusted, folks, is you can't have no shame in your game. When I say that, what I mean is you can't be afraid to say, hey, I need money. I need money. Sometimes the money that you're looking for, it's like right around the corner. But I know so many people that I've encountered on my journey, who are so prideful. They have so much pride that they are afraid to accept a blessing from somebody. You know what I mean? They're afraid to take something that somebody's giving them. You know what I'm saying? Because their ego, their pride is in the way. You know what I'm saying? And the only reason why they like that, folks, is because they don't want nobody to know that they actually struggling. You know what I'm saying? That was one of the biggest things that I conquered in my life. I was able to step up, and I was able to be open about who I really am, what I need help with. Ask people for things. It provided so much for me. Just opening up my mouth and asking what I needed, you know what I'm saying, and actually got it. You know what I'm saying? If you knock, this stuff is in scriptures, folks. If you knock, the door shall be open. If you ask, you shall receive. It's the same thing with the universe, folks. You ask the universe something that you want, you're gonna get it. Now, like I said, it might not come on time when you think it need to come. But if you continue to persevere and you believe that you know that you ask, you remember that you ask, you believing toward it to come, I can guarantee you at the right time, at the last minute even, it's going to come right on time. It will never, ever, ever let you down if you believe that the universe will give you money. You know what I mean? Just ask, believe it, and you're going to receive it in due time. You know, and so, you know, yeah, being broke ain't a good feeling. Ain't a good feeling. But the whole test is, will you feel broke even when you broke? See, a lot of people get into a situation of financial bind, financial crisis, and then, oh my God, walking around lip poking out with the poop face and stuff like that, and you can tell that they broke. You know, you can tell that they broke, and that's when they mess up the whole law of attraction process. But what you gotta do, you gotta change your mindset. You gotta change your mindset so that when you in times, when times are bad, nobody should be able to tell. I mean, you might tell people, you know, I'm going through this, I'm going through that, but it should be a smile on your face, even when things are going bad, because you done been here before. You done been here before. This ain't nothing new. We should be in a master this part and been leveled up already. This ain't nothing new. Being broke, you know, having financial difficulty, this ain't nothing new. We done been here before, and we done got into a situation where you done attracted more money and you was happy again. You was doing your thing. You was going to the mall, buying clothes, having fun, buying cars, whatever the case may be, whatever you done bought, you was always there. Sometimes you come back, but you was always there again. And then sometimes you come back. It ain't nothing new. So now you should feel excited. You should feel excited because you know the universal law. You know that based on how you feel is how receptive you're going to be to receive more money. You know what I'm saying? Based on how positive you feel determines how fast more money is going to attract to you. See, when you're negative about not having any money, folks, you basically cutting off all opportunities that's trying to come to you because you ain't worried about nothing but the situation. See, most people stay in those broke situations and don't have no money because they stuck in that situation. They stuck in that thought. You gotta rise above the thought of being broke and still live your everyday life as though you're not really broke. You're rich, and then your eyes will still be open. See, when you got that negative energy on you, folks, it puts a blindfold over your eyes to where you can't even see no more. You don't even know who to go ask for some money. You don't even know a way to make the money. You can't even see a new job. You don't even know who hiring. You don't know nothing. But if you just still stay in that rich mindset, I am rich. I am a millionaire. You know, if you stay in that mindset, your eyes still be open, folks. Your third eye still be open. You understand what I'm saying? So it don't matter what you're going through right now. It does not matter what you're going through right now. If your eyes are still open, if you still feel rich, if you say rich, comment below rich. If you feel rich, I'm speaking it over you right now. Rich. I'm going to just say a prayer for you right now for your financial situation. Okay? I'm going to just go ahead and say a prayer right now. Do you mind? Okay. Universe, we know that you will provide us with all our needs, even financial needs. We're in a situation right now where we are calling on you as one, as a divine one collective consciousness to ask that you can rain down on us your blessings of financial abundance and prosperity. This is the year of 2019. And we know that you said to us this will be the year of our financial breakthroughs. Now, whatever's going on right now, we don't believe it. For we know that we are prosperous. We know that we are rich. We know that we are valued. We know that we are worthy. So we break the chains right now together of financial lack. We no longer believe in financial lack. We no longer believe in, being comfortable with poverty. We no longer believe that we will be failures in our financial lives. We believe that you will fill us up. We believe that you will give us more than we could ever imagine. We believe that you have a breakthrough for us today. We believe because the only thing you told us was All we have to do is speak it, believe it, and receive it. Now we're speaking financial breakthrough. Financial breakthrough. We demand, we command, we need financial breakthrough. We no longer see our depths. We no longer buy things on credit anymore. We buying things straight cash. We see a new day. We see a brighter future. And we know without the shadow of a doubt, we believe it in our hearts. We believe it in our minds that we're no longer broke anymore. We pray financial release over our lives this day, right now. Now, if you believe that, folks, I want you to give this video a thumbs up and comment below and say, I believe that it is done. Okay? Thank you so much for tuning in, folks. I'm Trent Sanderson. How many of y'all like that? Did you receive that? Did you receive that with me? Okay. That's all we need to know. That's all we need to know. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, folks. This is what you do when you're absolutely broke and don't have any money in your bank account. Keep that positive attitude and just know in due time, you will shine. Trust and believe financial breakthrough is already done, folks. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.